Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
1 bromopropane to 2 bromopropane. First we can draw the structures of product and reactant. So 1 bromopropane means what? CH3, CH2, CH2, Br, right? And 2 bromopropane is what? CH3, CH, Br, CH3. Correct, right? Before start writing the answer, make a strategy to follow. See here, if you check this particular carbon, you can see a bromine on it, right? But on product side, you cannot see that bromine. Now coming to this carbon, you can see 2 hydrogen. But on product side, you can see only 1 hydrogen. So you are supposed to remove this bromine and one of the hydrogen from here, right? Bromine and hydrogen from adjacent carbon. So what is the reaction? Dehydrohalogenation. For dehydrohalogenation, what is the reagent? Alcoholic KOH. So what will happen? This bromine and one of the hydrogen will be removed out and a double bond will establish between that 2 carbon, right? So what is that? CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Now what is our next task? We have to add 1 bromine on this carbon and 1 hydrogen here, right? For that purpose, you can simply add what? HBr, HBr, right? So that it will follow what? Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. What is Markovnikov rule? According to Markovnikov rule, hydrogen will move to the double bonded carbon which carry more number of hydrogen, and bromine will go to the carbon which carry lesser number of hydrogen. So what you will get? You will get CH3, CHBr, CH3. Correct, right? So we start from 1 bromopropane and end with what? 2 bromopropane. So on first step, to remove hydrogen and bromine from adjacent carbon, we use alcoholic KOH. The reaction is known as dehydrohalogenation. So we got the alkene. Then we add HBr. Okay, and it follow Markovnikov rule. So hydrogen will move to the carbon which carry more number of hydrogen, and bromine go to the carbon which contain lesser number of hydrogen. Okay, and we got the final answer, that is 2 bromopropane.